how to actually like going to the gym. So this is a kind of similar to the one we talked about earlier. So when you're talking about liking going to the gym, this individual wants to say, I like lifting the weights in that part of the gym, but I really hate everything else about it. I hate going in the morning or the evening. I hate gym anxiety, and I hate the feeling of being inadequate afterwards. Okay, so I think we might have actually figured out the sole root and cause of this. It's not even the gym, it's the anxiety and the feelings about the gym. So for whatever reason, this individual looks at the gym as a place of anxiety. And I would have to guess, especially since they're saying they feel inadequate after, that they're probably feeling a lack of love for their body and just how their body's functioning in this fitness journey for themselves. So I think the best cause of this literally is for them to, one, stop comparing themselves to others, because I'm sure this individual is looking around in the gym at all the people who have been working out for years and immediately feeling inadequate afterwards, just like they said. And from that will basically make you be anxious, because every time you go to the gym, your body's telling you signals like, hey, this is the time where all those people are probably looking at you and making you look funny, and they're probably judging you, right? So yeah, don't do this. Don't come back again. That is what I would guess the anxiety is coming from, that internal signal. So a few things that I always do when I go to the gym: always have headphones in, always have a good playlist, a podcast or something to just keep you in the zone. And when you're in the zone and you're just focused on your workout, you won't even be worried about the other people. And if you're not worried about the other people, that's when you can really focus on the purpose of being in the gym, giving yourself some self-love and self-care through working out. And these specific things can greatly help to increase your overall enjoyment of the gym and adherence of the gym. And when you have enjoyment of the gym and adherence of the gym, it's game over. It's game over, because at that point, you know the formula for you that works, and you can literally ride that wave for the rest of your life. So hopefully this gave some good actionable knowledge. If it did, like the video for that exact section.